Standard 5 Mathematics Chapter number 1 Roman Numerals.
This clock doesn't have numbers. It has some symbols instead.
Yes, Geeta. These are Roman numerals. In Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. The letter I was the symbol used for 1, V for 5, and X for 10. In this method, there was no symbol for 0. Also, the value of a symbol did not change with its place. There are certain rules for writing numbers using the Roman numerals. Let us see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules and the symbols I, V, and X. So students, let's see the rules of Roman numerals. Rule 1. If either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. Example, II is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. XX is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. III is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Rule 2. The symbols I or X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral V is never repeated consecutively. Rule 3. When either I or V is written on the right side of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Example, VI is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. XI is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. XV is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. VII is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. XII is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. XVI is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 16. VIII is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. XIII is equal to 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Rule 4. When I is written on the left of V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. Examples, IV is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IX is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. But the number 8 is not written as IIX. As above, we saw the 4 rules of Roman numerals. Now, let's see how to write the numbers 14 and 19. We have to think a little differently to write the numbers 14 and 19. 14 is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. However, we do not use the symbol I consecutively more than 3 times. Hence, we shall think of the number 14 as 10 plus 4 instead. Then, using the symbol IV for 4, we write 14 as XIV. Similarly, we shall think of the number 19 as 10 plus 9 and write it as XIX. Now friends, the point which I told you is very important. So, you have to always keep it in mind. Thus, to write the numbers from 1 to 20 in Roman numerals, we first distribute a given number into groups of 10, 5 and 1 and then apply the rules given above. Thus, 12 is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to XII. 7 is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to VII. 18 is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 3, which is equal to X, V, I, I. Now, let's solve the first problem set. So, let's see the first example of it. 1. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Answer: I, IV, V, VI, VII, VIII, IX, X, XI, XII, XIII, XIV, XV, XVI, XVII, XVIII, XIX, XX. 14 and 19 are written as below. 14 is equal to 10 minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to XIV. 19 is equal to 10 minus 1 plus 10, which is equal to XIX. Now, let's see the second example. 2. Write the following numbers using international numerals. 1. V is equal to 5. 2. VII is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 7. 3. X is equal to 10. 4. XIII is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 13. 5. XIV is equal to 10 minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 14. According to Rule 4, if there is I before V and X, then it will be subtracted. 6. XVI is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 16. 7. XVIII is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 18. 8. IX is equal to 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. Now, students, we will see the third example. 3. Fill in the empty boxes. Number 3. Roman numerals I. Number 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. Roman numerals VIII. Number 6. Roman numerals VI. Number 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. Roman numerals XII. Number 15. Roman numerals XV. Number 10 minus 1 plus 10 is equal to 19. Roman numerals XIX. Now, students, let's see the fourth example. 4. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. 1. 9. IX. If the sign I is written to the left of the sign V or X, its value will be subtracted from the value of V or X. Therefore, 9 is equal to IX, which is equal to 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. 2. II. 3. 17. XVI. 4. IV. 5. 11. XI. 6. 18. XVI. Now, students, we will see the fifth example. 5. In the table below, each given number is written in international numerals and then again in Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put tick in the box under it. If not, put cross and correct it. International numerals. 4. Roman numerals II. I. Right or wrong? If wrong, correct the numerals. Cross. The correct answer is IV. International numerals 6. Roman numerals VI. Right or wrong? If wrong, correct the numerals. This is the correct answer. International numerals 8. Roman numerals IIX. Right or wrong? If wrong, correct the numerals. This is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is VIII. International numerals 16. Roman numerals XVI. Right or wrong? If wrong, correct the numerals. This is the correct answer. International numerals 15. Roman numerals VV. Right or wrong? If wrong, correct the numerals. This is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is XV. Something more. L, C, D and M are used as Roman numerals. Roman numerals I, numbers 1. Roman numerals V, numbers 5. Roman numerals X, numbers 10. Roman numerals L, numbers 50. Roman numerals C, numbers 100. Roman numerals D, numbers 500. Roman numerals M, numbers 1000. Activity. Apart from clocks and watches, where else do we see Roman numerals? The decimal system of writing numbers. It is not easy to read or write numbers using Roman numerals. It also makes calculations difficult. You have learned to write numbers using the 10 digits 0 to 9. In that system, the value of a digit depends upon its place in the number. This system of writing numbers is called the decimal system. Mathematicians of ancient India invented the decimal system of writing numbers and began to use it. Later, this system was accepted in all parts of the world because it was simple and convenient.